Hello, this is a very quick tutorial on how to remove the thermostat housing on a Lincoln LS, Jaguar S type, or last generation Ford Thunderbird with a 3.9 or 4.0 liter V8. Historically, the issue with this is the intake manifold is over the top of the rearmost fasteners on the thermostat housing, and this is how I did it without having to remove the intake manifold. Follow along.
Hey everybody, working on a 2002 Lincoln LSC with a 3.9 liter V8. I had to replace the thermostat housing because it was cracking all over the place. And I also had to replace the plastic crossover tube. Now the real pain in the neck on these is trying to get to those back fasteners because of the intake manifold. If you're going to replace this and you don't care about it, you can use a reciprocating saw like I did, carefully cut through the bottom, and then you can go ahead and remove it. Once you get to that, you have full access to these. What you'll want to do is once you take those out and you go to replace your new thermostat housing, you'll replace these two bolts with an M6 1.0 fine thread that's about 5 to 6 millimeters shorter than the other as an Allen head, and you'll use those with a swivel and get back in there with the new thermostat housing, making it really simple. For thread engagement, but it helps you get around the intake manifold that much more. It uses a 5 millimeter Allen head to tighten down the fastener. Without having to try to fish the fasteners into the back end, once the thermostat housing's down, just go ahead and preload the fasteners and the washers. You'll be able to set it right down without having to fight with trying to get those things in the back end.
This is a 5 millimeter, and notice the swivel ball at the end. Once you use that, you'll be able to get back in behind there and tighten these fasteners down, making it very, very simple, a lot more accessible. Once you have these tightened down, that should be the end of any of your work without having to pull the intake manifold. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, please ask, and thank you for watching.